What if I told you that your Ford could easily cruise past 500,000 miles without major repairs? Not just survive, but actually thrive for decades of reliable service. You're probably thinking that's impossible, that modern vehicles aren't built to last that long, or that you'd need to be a master mechanic to pull it off. But here's the truth that dealerships and quick lube shops don't want you to know. With the right habits, the Ford sitting in your driveway right now has the potential to outlast 3 or 4 normal car lifespans. And I'm about to share every single habit that separates the people driving worn-out trade-ins from the owners still cruising in their bulletproof high-mileage legends. I've spent years studying vehicles that have made it past the half-million-mile mark, and I've noticed something fascinating. It's rarely about luck or getting a special vehicle off the assembly line. It's about what happens after you drive off the lot, the daily decisions, the maintenance routines, the small habits that compound over time. These are the difference makers. And the best part? None of these habits require special tools, advanced mechanical knowledge, or even a lot of money. What they do require is consistency, attention to detail, and a willingness to treat your Ford like the long-term investment it really is. So whether you're driving a bulletproof F-150, a reliable Ranger, a dependable Fusion, or any other Ford model, these 20 habits are your roadmap to legendary reliability. Let's dive in and turn your Ford into a testament to longevity that you'll be proud to pass down to the next generation. Habit number 1. Change your oil every 5,000 miles, no matter what. Let's start with the most critical habit that will make or break your journey to 500,000 miles. Oil changes. Now, I know what you're thinking. The manual says you can go 7,500 miles or even 10,000 miles between changes with synthetic oil. Technically, that's true. But here's what Ford's engineers won't tell you during warranty calculations. Those extended intervals are designed to get you through the warranty period, not to maximize the lifespan of your engine. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine, and even the best synthetic oil degrades over time. Combustion byproducts, fuel contamination, and microscopic metal particles all accumulate in your oil. By 5,000 miles, your oil has done its job, and it's time for fresh fluid. This single habit prevents sludge buildup, reduces wear on critical engine components, and keeps your engine running like new even as the odometer climbs higher and higher. The people driving Fords with over 500,000 miles, every single one of them changes their oil religiously at 5,000-mile intervals. No exceptions, no excuses. Habit number 2. Use quality filters every single time. While we're on the subject of oil changes, let's talk about something that gets overlooked constantly: the oil filter. You can use the most expensive synthetic oil on the market, but if you're using a cheap filter, you're wasting your money and shortening your engine's life. Those bargain basement filters from the discount store, they use inferior filter media that breaks down quickly and doesn't capture the microscopic particles that cause engine wear. Invest in quality filters from reputable brands like Motorcraft, Wix, or Purolator. Yes, they cost a few dollars more, but that extra cost is nothing compared to rebuilding an engine because abrasive particles circulated through your oil system for years. The filter is your engine's kidney, and you wouldn't put cheap kidneys in your body, so don't put cheap filters in your Ford. Habit number 3. Check all fluids weekly without fail. This habit takes less than 5 minutes, but it's one of the most powerful predictive maintenance tools you have. Every single week, pop your hood and check your engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and transmission fluid. You're not just looking at levels here. You're looking for changes in color, consistency, and any signs of contamination. When you check fluids weekly, you catch problems before they become catastrophes. You'll notice if your coolant is turning brown, indicating rust in the system. You'll see if your oil level is dropping, suggesting a leak or consumption issue. You'll spot brake fluid contamination before your brakes fail. This habit creates an intimate knowledge of your vehicle's normal condition. So when something changes, you notice immediately and can address it before serious damage occurs. Habit number 4. Warm up your engine properly before driving. Here's a habit that separates the amateurs from the professionals: proper engine warm-up. And no, I'm not talking about sitting in your driveway for 10 minutes letting the engine idle. I'm talking about the first few minutes of driving after starting your Ford. When you first start your engine, oil hasn't fully circulated, metal components are at different temperatures, and tolerances aren't where they need to be. For the first 5 minutes of driving, keep your RPMs below 3,000 and avoid hard acceleration. Let the engine gradually come up to operating temperature. During this warm-up period, oil viscosity is still normalizing, and components are expanding to their proper dimensions. Hammering the throttle when your engine is cold creates excessive wear that accumulates over time. The folks running 500,000 plus miles, they baby their engines during warm-up, every single time. If you made it this far, then consider liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. Habit number 5. Never ignore warning lights or unusual sounds. This sounds obvious, but you'd be amazed how many people ignore their check engine light or dismiss strange noises as quirks. Your Ford is trying to communicate with you through warning lights and sounds. When that check engine light comes on, get the code red immediately. Most auto parts stores will do this for free. Don't wait until it's convenient or until the problem gets worse. Similarly, unusual sounds are your early warning system. That slight ticking from the engine, the subtle grinding when you brake, the faint whine from the transmission. These sounds are telling you that something needs attention now before it becomes a major failure. The difference between a $500 repair and a $5,000 catastrophe is often just paying attention and acting quickly when something isn't right. Habit number 6. Use the correct grade of fuel for your engine. If your Ford recommends regular unleaded, don't cheap out and use the lowest octane you can find. But also don't waste money on premium if your engine doesn't require it. Using fuel that's too low in octane can cause engine knock and pre-ignition, which damages pistons and valves over time. Using fuel that's too high in octane when your engine doesn't need it is just wasted money with no benefit. Stick with the octane rating recommended in your owner's manual, and consider using top-tier certified gasoline brands. These brands include detergents that keep your fuel system and injectors clean, which maintains optimal performance and fuel economy. Clean injectors mean better combustion, which means less carbon buildup and longer engine life. Habit number 7. Replace your transmission fluid. At 50,000 miles, automatic transmissions are one of the most expensive components to replace, and most transmission failures are completely preventable. Despite what your owner's manual might say about lifetime transmission fluid, there's no such thing. Transmission fluid breaks down, accumulates metal particles, and loses its ability to protect gears and clutches. At 50,000 miles, drain and refill your transmission fluid. Not a flush, a drain and refill. Flushing can dislodge debris and cause more problems than it solves. A simple drain and refill removes about half the old fluid and replenishes it with fresh fluid, restoring protection without the risks of flushing. Repeat this every 50,000 miles and your transmission will easily last the entire life of your vehicle. Habit number 8. Inspect and rotate tires. Every 6,000 miles, tires do more than just provide traction. They're a critical part of your suspension system, and they affect everything from fuel economy to steering feel. Every 6,000 miles, rotate your tires according to Ford's recommended pattern. This ensures even wear and maximizes the life of each tire. But here's the key part most people miss. While the tires are off, inspect your brake pads, rotors, and suspension components. This is when you catch worn ball joints, leaking struts, and thin brake pads before they cause damage to more expensive components. A worn ball joint that separates can destroy your control arm, your steering knuckle, and potentially cause an accident. Catching it early means a $100 repair instead of a $1,000 disaster. Use your tire rotation appointments as a full undercarriage inspection opportunity. Habit number 9. Keep your Ford clean inside and out. This might seem superficial, but cleanliness directly impacts longevity. Washing your Ford regularly, especially the undercarriage, removes salt, dirt, and corrosive materials that cause rust. Rust is the silent killer that takes otherwise perfectly good vehicles off the road. Pay special attention to the wheel wells, door jambs, and any area where dirt and moisture can accumulate. Inside the vehicle, keeping things clean prevents spills from damaging electronics, stops dirt from wearing out seat materials, and maintains the value of your interior. But there's a psychological component too. When your Ford looks good and smells fresh, you're more likely to maintain it properly and catch small issues before they become big ones. Pride of ownership translates directly into better care and longer life. Habit number 10. Address rust at the first sign. Speaking of rust, this habit is critical if you live anywhere that uses road salt or experiences high humidity. The moment you see surface rust forming, deal with it immediately. Surface rust is easy and cheap to fix. You sand it down, apply rust converter, prime, and paint. Done. But if you ignore it, surface rust becomes scale rust, which becomes penetrating rust, which becomes structural failure. Check your Ford's common rust spots regularly. For F-150s, That's the cab corners, rocker panels, and bed. For sedans and SUVs, check the wheel wells, door bottoms, and tailgate or trunk areas. Catching rust early and treating it aggressively is the difference between a $50 fix and a body panel replacement that costs thousands. Habit number 11. Replace spark plugs. At Ford's recommended interval, spark plugs are cheap and easy to replace, but worn spark plugs cause expensive problems throughout your engine. Old spark plugs create incomplete combustion, which leads to carbon buildup on valves and pistons. They can damage ignition coils when they require more voltage to fire. They reduce fuel economy and power, and in severe cases, they can cause misfires that damage your catalytic converter. Check your owner's manual for the recommended spark plug replacement interval and stick to it religiously. For most modern Fords, that's around 100,000 miles. When you replace them, use quality plugs that meet Ford's specifications. This simple maintenance item prevents a cascade of more expensive problems down the road. Habit number 12. Change your coolant every 60,000 miles. Coolant doesn't just prevent your engine from overheating. It's a complete system protector that prevents corrosion, lubricates the water pump, and maintains proper pH levels throughout your cooling system. Over time, coolant breaks down and becomes acidic. Acidic coolant eats away at aluminum components, corrodes steel parts, and destroys gaskets and seals. Every 60,000 miles, completely flush your cooling system and replace the coolant with fresh fluid that meets Ford's specifications. This prevents radiator failure, water pump damage, and head gasket issues. The cost of a coolant service is minimal compared to any of those repairs, and it's one of the most overlooked maintenance items that directly impacts engine longevity. Habit number 13. Drive smoothly and anticipate traffic. Your driving style has a massive impact on how long your Ford lasts. Aggressive acceleration, hard braking, and rapid lane changes all create unnecessary wear on every component of your vehicle. Engines, transmissions, brakes, suspension, tires, all of them last longer when you drive smoothly and predictably. Look far ahead in traffic and anticipate stops and slowdowns so you can coast down instead of braking hard. Smooth driving isn't just about being gentle. It's about being efficient with your vehicle's mechanical systems. Every time you accelerate hard, you're putting extra load on the engine and transmission. Every time you brake hard, you're wearing down brake components and generating heat that damages rotors. Drive like you're trying to keep a cup of coffee from spilling in your cup holder, and your Ford will reward you with hundreds of thousands of extra miles. Habit number 14. Replace your battery. Before it fails, most people wait until their battery dies to replace it, but this is a mistake that can cause expensive electrical damage. A failing battery puts extra strain on your alternator, which can lead to premature alternator failure. It can cause voltage fluctuations that damage sensitive electronics, and modern Fords are packed with electronics that don't respond well to inconsistent power. Replace your battery every 4 to 5 years, even if it seems to be working fine. Batteries deteriorate gradually, and by the time they fail to start your car, they've been putting extra stress on your electrical system for months. This preventive approach costs the same as reactive replacement, but saves you from the cascade of electrical problems that a dying battery can cause. Habit number 15. Use your parking brake every time you park. This habit applies especially if you have an automatic transmission. Every time you park, engage your parking brake before shifting into park. This takes the load off your transmission's parking pawl, which is a small metal tab that holds your entire vehicle's weight when you park on an incline. Over time, this stress can damage the pawl in your transmission. Using your parking brake also keeps the parking brake mechanism from seizing up due to lack of use. A seized parking brake is expensive to fix and can fail inspection in states that check this component. It's a simple habit that protects your transmission and maintains a critical safety system. Habit number 16. Keep your fuel tank above 1/4. Your fuel tank low seems harmless, but it creates multiple problems that reduce your Ford's lifespan. Your fuel pump is located inside the fuel tank and uses the fuel itself as a coolant. When you run low on fuel, the pump can overheat and fail prematurely. Additionally, sediment and debris settle at the bottom of your tank, and when you run low, you're sucking that contamination into your fuel system. Keep your tank above 1/4 full at all times, and your fuel pump will last the life of the vehicle. You'll also avoid getting stranded due to fuel starvation, and your fuel filter won't clog as quickly with tank sediment. This habit costs nothing to implement and saves you from an expensive fuel pump replacement. Habit number 17. Let your turbo cool down. Before shutting off, If your Ford has a turbocharged engine, this habit is absolutely critical. Turbochargers spin at incredibly high speeds and reach extreme temperatures during operation. When you shut off your engine immediately after driving, you cut off oil flow to the turbo while it's still spinning and extremely hot. This causes oil to cook onto the turbo bearings, leading to premature wear and eventual turbo failure. After any spirited driving or highway speeds, let your engine idle for 30 to 60 seconds before shutting it off. This allows the turbo to slow down and cool off while still receiving oil flow. This simple habit can extend your turbocharger's life from 100,000 miles to well over 300,000 miles. Habit number 18. Replace belts and hoses. Before they fail, rubber components like belts and hoses deteriorate over time, becoming brittle and prone to failure. A serpentine belt that snaps can leave you stranded and can damage other components when it fails. A radiator hose that bursts can cause your engine to overheat and potentially warp the cylinder head. These failures are entirely preventable through scheduled replacement. Inspect your belts and hoses at every oil change, looking for cracks, glazing, soft spots, or swelling. Replace them based on Ford's maintenance schedule or sooner if you notice any deterioration. The cost of a new belt or hose is minimal compared to the damage that occurs when they fail catastrophically. Habit number 19. Use your Ford regularly and avoid extended storage. Vehicles are designed to be driven, and ironically, one of the worst things you can do for longevity is to let your Ford sit unused for extended periods. When a vehicle sits, fluids settle and drain away from critical components. Seals dry out and crack, batteries discharge, tires develop flat spots, brake rotors corrode, fuel goes stale and clogs the fuel system. If you must store your Ford for more than a week, take specific steps to protect it. Add fuel stabilizer to the tank, disconnect the battery or use a trickle charger, and ideally, start and drive it for at least 20 minutes every 2 weeks. Better yet, use your Ford regularly. Even short trips around the neighborhood keep fluids circulating and components properly lubricated. Habit number 20. Keep detailed maintenance records. This final habit ties everything together and creates accountability for all the others. Keep a detailed log of every service, repair, and maintenance task you perform on your Ford. Note the date, mileage, what was done, and what parts were used. This serves multiple purposes. It helps you stay on schedule with maintenance intervals, it provides valuable diagnostic information if problems arise, and it dramatically increases resale value by proving your Ford was meticulously maintained. Your maintenance records tell the story of your vehicle's life. When you can show a potential buyer that you change the oil every 5,000 miles, replace the transmission fluid regularly, and addressed every issue promptly, you're demonstrating that your high-mileage Ford is actually worth more than a lower-mileage vehicle without documentation. Plus, reviewing your records helps you spot patterns and predict when certain components might need attention based on your specific driving habits. Bringing it all together, there you have it. 20 habits that will transform your Ford from an ordinary vehicle into a legendary high-mileage champion. None of these habits are difficult or require special skills. What they require is consistency, attention, and a commitment to treating your Ford as a long-term investment rather than a disposable commodity. The people driving Fords with over 500,000 miles aren't lucky. They're disciplined. They've made these habits part of their routine, and their vehicles reward them with decade after decade of reliable service. Start implementing these habits today, and I guarantee you'll be shocked at how reliable your Ford becomes. You'll save thousands of dollars in repairs, you'll avoid the stress and inconvenience of breakdowns, and you'll have the satisfaction of knowing you're getting every possible mile out of your investment. Your Ford has the potential to last 500,000 miles. Now you know exactly how to get there.